This is a collection of lighters. This is called a Behemoth. It's by GEI and it's not refillable. Very big. Compared to my hands, it's very big. This is refillable. The thing is on the side. It can also be a keychain. It's just a standard lighter. This is a Cricket. Yeah. It's not like a Bic. It doesn't have a child safety lock. This is a Slant. It's pretty big. No child safety lock. Yeah. Oh God! Did you see this thing?
Oh yeah, I rigged it.
I can tell.
Let me see. Wait, honestly, I haven't actually lit it yet.
Oh my God! Be careful, Nick. It's a torch.
Oh my God.
See, so yeah. There's probably about 1, 2. You idiot!
You take weak on my hand.
Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these Bob Marley lighters.
One doesn't work.
This one.
Oh my God.
It's got a torch flame. It's refillable. It's by New Oats. This one says, yeah, it's black. It's got a colored flame. This one doesn't work because we tried to rig it. Here's another one. This one is just a standard Bic.
I can't believe I almost cooked my hand.
I can't believe you almost cooked your bed.
My hand is more important.
Not really. Is this one rigged, Nick?
Yes.
Okay. This is non-refuelable. And I actually think it's out of lighter fluid because I don't. Okay, no, it's not. It is rigged. This is a standard Zippo lighter.
There's no butane in it.
There's no butane in it, but yeah. Standard Zippo. Saints. Oh, like. Okay. And this is a fake Zippo, but it's huge. Something's wrong with it, I think. Is there?
No, there's just all the butane like evaporates onto them. I should make one for my knives.
This will also be a knife collection.
Whoa. Burnt out.
Anyway, yeah, that's all.